Hello and welcome back to A Tale of Two Toasts. I'm in the Christmas spirit already and I'm very excited to make this next shortcut fudge. It's a shortcut chocolate fudge and it goes by many names: Brigadeiro, Fudge, Biscuit fudge even. And it's my friend Ameera's favorite. And the secret ingredient to always make this very good is a little bit of brandy. But if you have kids and you want to keep it non-alcoholic, you can always use vanilla.
Hi guys, my name is Ameera. I'm from Goa and now I've moved to Mumbai. Christmas in Goa is very special and with all the lights and the Christmas caroling and the beautiful decorations around and of course the yummy sweet. When it comes to Christmas sweets, I have a soft spot for the fudge. I remember trying Kate's fudge when we worked together in the same office and it just left lasting impression on me. It became a must-have for every Christmas in our office, and I'm waiting for my batch. Do enjoy the recipe that Kate is going to share, and love you.
So what you need to do for this fudge is you need to have Marie biscuits or Maria biscuits and crush them. Now you could do that in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin, but I'm going to use my food processor to do that today. Once you have your crushed Marie biscuits, which are about the consistency of sand, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to heat about a quarter cup of butter. And I'm doing that in the microwave, but you can also do that on the stovetop. Once the butter is completely melted, you're going to add it to your crumbs. Along with about half a can of condensed milk, because I'm using 200 grams, but if you're using 400 grams, you can use the whole can. This one is a 10-ounce can. And then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And that's pretty much it. While you're mixing this, you can also add a little bit of rum. I've got about a tablespoon, but you can feel free to use more if you prefer. Or not to use any if you prefer. You could use vanilla extract instead, but I'm going to go with the rum. And that's it. That's about all the effort it's going to take to make this fudge. Yep. Once it's coming together as like one heaped ball, so to speak, and when you see that it's sticking together without too many cracks, we step into the next part, and that is making the fudge balls. So with clean hands, you're gonna dive in. You could also ideally use a round spoon if you want, like a tablespoon, just to shape them. So we're gonna pick up a heaped chunk and then just use that to shape, but I find it much easier to use my hands. But the spoons help keep the measurement equal. And then once you have these, you can, roll them into either some lovely Christmassy sprinkles or some desiccated coconut, or even some more cocoa powder. It looks great. I'm going to do one each and show you what it looks like. Now, this is something really fun to do with your kids and really make these Christmas memories, which sometimes when you have a working life, it's very difficult to do. But yeah, these are the easy ways to, bond with kids over the holidays. And you can use digestives if you don't want to feed your kids so much sugar. Those work well as well. It's a very forgiving recipe. So, if you have more of something and less of something, it's easy to fix. Yep. We're going to try this one in desiccated coconut. I'm going to do one with some cocoa powder. Some cocoa powder here. Nuts there. Look at it, so cute. These are ready and these look delicious and I can't wait to try one. I usually wait until Christmas, but today I'm lucky because I get to tell you how it tastes. I get to have one. So here I go. I'm gonna pick the coconut one.
Yes.
I don't know whether it's because I'm Goan and our Christmas sweets are just a lot of coconut, but this feels very Christmassy to me. Coconut and the rum together. What's an ingredient that's not very typical from where you're from that makes you feel like Christmas? Let me know in the comments. Please give this video a like and subscribe while I chew on the rest of this. Have fun and see you next time.